What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Today, as you can see from the intro, I'm working on the Hulk, my 450 wheel horsepower STI. And what I'm doing is I'm working on a little bit of a lighting project, and I wanted you guys to be part of it. These lights are special. They're not like any type of lights as you see in my previous videos. These lights are pretty dope. What they are, they were referred to me by my boy, a good friend of mine, who has a really dope slingshot. I'll put his name in the link under the description. He was the one who referred me to these lights. These are not just any type of lights. They actually require a pretty sick brain box to actually make it work. So you just can't hook it up and be like, oh well, you know, let me just make these lights work. So it's going to be a nice little dope project, something I always wanted to do, and it's going to be going around the car. But first, I'm just hooking two of them up underneath the hood and see where it goes from there. And as I said, I wanted you guys to be part of it, so here we go. All right, guys, so as with any project, if you are working on lights, always make sure you test your lights first. That is obviously a must. Test your lights out first to make sure they're working. Guys, spend a couple dollars, $5-10, get yourself a set of these little holders, and you know, they can literally hold anything from, you know, fine 22 gauge wires to anything big. They have enough resistance on it to assist. So what I'm going to be doing, I'll be clamping these to the positive and negative to the battery, just to test out the light strips. So here you go. Oh guys, just one more thing I forgot to add. If you don't have a set of fender covers, use an old towel or a new towel, or you know, a piece of cloth or anything. It'll prevent any type of important screws from falling inside of the engine bay or through the car onto the skid plate or the shield, which will be annoying to retrieve. So if you don't have something, you know, keep some towels on deck, just like I got right here. Bam. And it'll help you out. So here we go, guys. So what's happening here is, as you can see, terminals are all hooked up. You saw from my time-lapse video. Hooked it up. It's connected to the brain box. What I forgot to mention, there's a freaking dope-ass remote that comes with it. What sets these lights apart than anything on the market is that they not only flow and strobe seamlessly, the strips are cuttable as well. Really nice, easy cuts. Just follow the arrows. There's arrows showing you everything. And what where I'm going to be installing them is right on the side over here today. So I'll be taking this piece out right here, with just two simple, easy clips, and it'll be vacant just like that right there. And I'm going to be installing it right on the side right here. So when I shut the hood at night, the strip will be right in between the hood. You won't even be able to notice it. But once you turn them on, you're definitely going to see the flow. So here we go, guys. So guys, as you just saw from the time lapse, what you want to do is you want to clean down any workable surface, any surface that you're going to be sticking any type of strip on. You want to clean that bad boy down as clean as you can, so you know that once you affix whatever it is that you're going to affix to the surface, it's going to stick, and there's not going to be a problem of it falling out. You don't even have to worry of it falling out at any type of high speed or anything like that. So that's the first, definitely one of the first processes that you need to do. Make sure you clean the surfaces down properly so the strip can adhere to the surface. Also, what you're definitely going to need is some, I have this bad boy right here. It's from Gorilla Glue. Well, they make Gorilla Glue, but what it is, it's an adhesion promoter. So what you're going to be doing is we're going to be spraying this bad boy right to the surface right here, and once you spray it down, give it like about 30 seconds to a minute to dry. Then you stick the strip to it, And obviously before you stick the strip, obviously you measure and cut to fit. And that's about it. Give me 1 second, I'll show you a quick time lapse. Alright guys, so what I did was, obviously you saw the time-lapse version of that real quick, and I literally shut the hood, you know, pretty much just to observe the clearances. Clearances look pretty dope. That boy's right in there. Perfect. Perfect. And all you gotta do is just do the same thing on the other side. And I'll do a quick time lapse of that, and here we go. Alright guys, so the time lapse cut out, but regardless, I put everything back together in this one side. I'm going to pop the hood in a second so you can see it. But once the hood is closed, it's very, very nice, very seamless. Everything is nice and flush with the hood. And at night, you won't even be able to see anything at all. But you'll be able to see the light coming through on the side of the hood. Hold on 1 sec. Here we go. So pretty much it was a matter of just, as you saw in the time lapse, you saw me unbolt this right here. This is for the headlight. And it's a matter of just running the wire under that and then hiding it under the stock guard right here. This will plug into the box, and the box will probably attach somewhere along here or in the back, somewhere here or somewhere right there. And pretty easy, pretty easy. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side and show you the finished product. Alright guys, so in the interim, what ended up happening was I ended up having to leave while making the video. So came back and the weather dropped so bad, it's pretty cold. That's why obviously you saw me with a sweater earlier. So came back, ran the lines, stuck it nice and neat on the side, cut everything, and now I'm running it underneath here neatly as possible until I get to the other side. So I'm going to show you a quick time lapse while I'm doing that stuff. All right, folks, so a bit of anomaly I ran into was the fact that every time I started the car, the lights would automatically turn on, and then I'd be able to shut it off with the remote. I don't want that at all. So what I did was I bought a 3-prong switch ran and I cut the positive wire, rejoined some 14 gauge wire on both sides, soldered, shrink wrap for a nice watertight connection, ran it through the firewall. Super neat because I'm real OCD. Ran the switch right here to the bottom. On, off, on. Once I turn it on. So now I have a toggle switch to make sure that power doesn't come back on without me saying so. Alright guys, final vid with the hood closed.
Guys, just a heads up, this is only part 1 of the video. I do have more lights.
Here we go.
Some more installs coming soon.
Freaking patterns are freaking dope. As I said, we could dim them down so you can see it. Shit is freaking fly, man. So many different patterns. So many different patterns. Dim that shit down so you can see it. Guys, I appreciate you watching the vid. Once again, hit that like button, that bell notification icon, tap that so you can see when I post a new vid. Once again, I restarted using this channel. This was the old channel I had used for gaming back in the day. I wish I had uploaded a lot of videos when I was doing so much work to this car. This car came a long way from brand new, and I worked the shit out of it. So I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Guys, thank you so much. Hope you guys found this video informational and, you know, just a good watch. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.
Hey guys, just hold on for a quick example in the daylight.